Cartesian product of the two sets by graphical method and by arrow diagram method. Today I will discuss about the equality of a two ordered pair and relation and types of the relation. Let us start equality of a two ordered pair. A1 ordered pair A1 B1 is equal to ordered pair A2 B2 if and only if A1 is equal to A2 and B1 is equal to B2. Once again I tell you, two ordered pair A1 B1 and A2 B2 are equal if and only if A1 is equal to A2 and B1 is equal to B2. Okay. Example: if x y is equal to 2 3, then this implies that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. If here is the x ordered pair x y is equal to ordered pair 2 3, then this implies that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Second, if x plus 1 y minus 2 is equal to 4 3. Let us suppose that x plus 1 ordered pair x plus 1 y minus 2 is equal to ordered pair 4 3. Then since both are equal, therefore x plus 1 is equal to 4 and y minus 2 is equal to 3. X plus 1 is equal to 4 and y minus 2 is equal to 3. Then from here x is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Therefore x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. Okay. Next topic. What is the next topic? Relation. Relations. What is the relation I am telling you? If A is not equal to 5 and B is not equal to 5, then R is said to be a relation. Then R is said to be a relation from A to B if and only if R the subset of A cross B. ओके, मैंने लैंग्वेज यूज किया है, लिखा नहीं है. If A and B इसका मतलब क्या? A is not equal to 5, B is not equal to 5 means यानी A and B are both non-English sets. Then R को relation कब कहेंगे? Then R is said to be a relation from A to B if and only if R is the subset of A cross B. Example. Let us suppose that set A, set B having the element 5 7, then a relation, and this means R1 having the ordered pair 2 5 2 7 3 7. Okay, it has given, यानी in your example, if A set A and set B is given, then how we can determine R1 is a relation from A to B or not? Now, first of all, we should determine A class B यानी Cartesian product of A and B यानी here becomes 1 2 3 plus 5 7. Okay, we shall determine here becomes 1 with 5 यानी ordered pair 1 5 ordered pair 1 7 जैसे कि मैंने पहले बताया है। here becomes 1 5 1 7 2 5 2 7 3 5 3 7. Okay, here I have determined Cartesian product of A and B. You are looking here 1 5 1 7 2 5 2 7 3 5 3 7. These are the ordered pair. यानी in R1 you are looking ordered pair 2 5. आपको बस इतना फाइंड आउट करना है कि इसमें जितने भी ऑर्डर पेयर हैं क्या इसमें बिलोंग कर रहे हैं, क्या इसमें है, यानी ए क्लास बी में। यदि आपका ऑर्डर पेयर सब के सब यानी सभी ऑर्डर पेयर इसमें बिलोंग करेगा तो समझ जाना कि R1 इज द रिलेशन फ्रॉम A to B. ओके, नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू यानी 2 5 ऑर्डर पेयर 2 5 is in R1 and also 2 5 order pair is belonging to A class B, and this is here and here 2 5 here 2 7 is here, also 2 7 is here, 3 7 is order pair 3 7 is here, also is here. Okay, so that's why when you are looking, we are looking all the order pair of R1 are also are the order pair of A class B यानी कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ A एंड B, मतलब जितने भी ऑर्डर पेयर यहाँ पे है सब के सब A क्लास B में है। इसका मतलब क्या है, R1 is इसमें कहेंगे R1 is a relation from A to B. ओके, A to B. अब यदि यहाँ पे समझना, यदि कोई ऐसा ऑर्डर पेयर मैं ऐसे बढ़ा लूं, सपोज करो कि मैं दूसरा क्वेश्चन हो जा रहा है, एग्जांपल दूसरा हो जा रहा है, यानी हमारे पास मान लो 3 8 यहाँ पे मैंने कर लिया। ठीक, यहाँ पे मैंने एक ऑर्डर पेयर पढ़ाया, यहाँ पे 3 8 जो मैंने किया, आप समझ लो कि जितना भी मैंने निकाला था मैंने मिटा दिया। यहाँ पे आप जो निकालोगे यहाँ पे एलिमेंट 8 नहीं है, जरा देखना कितना भी ऑर्डर पेयर बनाओगे 3 7 बनेगा 3 8, लेकिन ये बी ऑर्डर पेयर 3 8 जो A क्लास B में बिलोंग नहीं करेगा। एक बार फिर से बनाना पड़ेगा A क्लास B, क्योंकि मैंने मिटा दिया यहाँ पे, रब कर दिया। तो देखो मैं लिख रहा हूँ 1 5 1 7 and 2 5 2 7 3 5 3 7 है ना। तो बढ़िया आप यानी दिस मींस हियर द ऑर्डर पेयर है 2 5 is also here 2 5 2 7 2 7 3 7 3 7 is here, but 3 8 order pair 3 8 is not here. Okay, so that's why R1 is not a relation